그대여 나와의 거리를 걸어요. 난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아요. 반짝이는 저기 아이폰 겨울이 오게 기다리는 아이처럼 내 맘에 널 그려 포근했던 나의 온기 눈을 닮아서
Hello.
Good morning.
Hi everyone. We are going to the arena because a friend of us has some stuff that we bought and we're going to pick it up. After that we're gonna have brunch because it's already like
degrees and sunny, just the way I always wanted. Told but I go river, the bluebirds peaceful sing along. That I love you. Oh, 그대여
this is a bench we are and the Sacré-Cœur. But I'm completely drenched. It's raining so much. Such bad weather. Oh my god. So we want to go to the Eiffel Tower now. And we're gonna call an Uber perhaps because like this weather is like not good. Okay, now we're probably gonna go by metro. We're at the Eiffel Tower. My outfit for tonight. But for now, with jacket, cause it's cold. These shoes.
아직도 나 여기 흐릿하게 더 의미하게 나의 아니 자주 난 어제 잊어
Olympian? Samples Olympian? Let's make a great night. Thank you. Hey, Cuckoo. How are you doing tonight? Are you good? Are you absolutely good?
I think I know how you feel tonight because I feel the same way too. Alright, it's gonna be better than what you expected. Let's go.
Make some noise! Hello everyone, I'm your 장장man. Let's make a great night. Okay, Sunday Ateez! Ateez! Are you ready for this crazy party tonight? Okay, you and I, let's go for a ride. Rush by Samba!
Juicy Captain Ongjung.
Atiny.
주문 gift.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to be being a part of the fellowship and the work with my Ateez. This day, I always tell myself that I live for Ateez, which means you're my dance, you're my songs, and you're my breath, and you make forever young. Hope you enjoy it today.
Bonsoir, this is Omar. Ça va, Atiny? Okay, I'm so happy to be performing here in Paris. With the happiness I'm feeling today, so I'll make sure to give you the best performance ever. Thank you.
What's my name? What's my name?
No. 제가 어제 공연했는데 엄청나게 열기가 핫했거든요.
Quand j'ai fait ma performance hier, la salle était vraiment chaude.
어제보다 오늘 더 힘차게 놀 수 있죠.
Je peux encore plus m'amuser ce soir qu'hier.
이렇게 한번 봅시다.
Allons-y.
내 가슴이 뛰고 있다. 이것은 보고 봐도 나는 궁금해하지. 오늘은 갑자기 기분이 찢어지니까 손을 뻗어봐. 그 열분을 그래 누 말해줘요 it's alright. 불안함이 안에서 alright. 모든 게 해줄 수 있고 혼자가 된다 순간 내게 모든 힘을 들었어 내 곁을 지키던 기억들이 다시 무너져 가득히면 줄 돌아서 모든 것들이 사라지는 생각해 때는 돌아보지 않아 쉽지 않겠지만 멈출 수 없어 나한테 반복되게 누구도 없지만 맞춰있지 every마다 우리의 오른손을 잡고 미친 듯이 춤을 추던 나른데 꽃을 춤춰 노래는 너 어디선가 나를 Let me be 밤새 따라가서 party on a love Oh yeah yeah 따라가서 party on a love Oh yeah yeah Let's go to the summer right now. Keep your eyes up.
I want to see Yeosang version.
Yes!
Okay, I can do it. Okay. Sit down in the chair. You can do this. You can do it. Like this? Okay. It looks like a cat. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. One, two, three. 어두운 Wow. You know, you want it? That was together. You're good. You're good. It's really good. Yesterday. Amazing. Your style. Today is mini bopong. You know what I'm saying? Mini bopong. Yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. I understand it. I understand it. Okay. What is going on right now?
상관없어 난 지금의 곳은 내 시작 마주친 그 앞에서 웃어버릴 듯이 we on fire You can feel this too. We will make this love all together.
Drumming up the boy with a high. You can't go and get stopped. You gotta pick your hands, you won't be mine. Let's make a party all day. 생각지. 네가 입은 옷이 너에다가 아냐. 너와 나 세상
소리로 말들은 아니요 진심이 아니다는 없어 혹시 날 불러보시더라도 금방 일어나 그 이유가 돼줄게 너와 너는 말하지 않아도 항상 빛나고
Take care of you and all your members. I really love the YouTube couple. They are so good. Thank you for existing and being a light in the world.
Ateez, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you for everything.
So what? Thank you for being young and being who you are.
Hello, Sora. I want to tell you fighting.
You are the one who taught me to love myself, and I'm very thankful for that. However, you are the most beautiful star in the world. You do a very good job.
Hey, thank you for always being by my side when I'm having a time. I love you.
You are my sunshine. I'm proud of you and I love you so much.
Thank you for being my sunshine every day.
Thank you for being so wonderful. We love you. Fighting.
Thank you, Yeosang, for making me happy. You are perfect. Don't forget it. I love you.
Yeosang, don't give up and stay healthy for atiny.
Hey, Yeosang, you are the best day as you are.
Suddenly, you're my inspiration all the time. Thank you. I'm so proud of you.
Your existence is so precious. Thank you, Sam. I love you.
You will always have a big place in my heart. Thank you for giving me a reason to laugh and smile when I go through tough times.
Hi, Mingy. I love you so much.
When I hear you, I can't stop smiling.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you for making me happy every single day.
You're perfect as you are. We'll always be by your side.
We're gonna love you. Thanks, you're not alone anymore, and I'm happy also. Thank you so much.
Thank you for always bringing us joy.
Thank you for being my inspiration. Ti amo.
I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you, Jungkook, because your smiles infects me and your face enchants me.
Thank you for teaching me that whatever I do, everything is only positive.
Thank you so much for this amazing tour. Love you all.
So being on my side. No one knows, no one knows. Thank you for being on my side. No one knows, no one knows. 태풍이 몰아쳤다. 네 바람이 불었다. No one knows, no one knows. 언제나 우리 이태리. Thank you for.
Oh, thank you, Ateez.
Thank you. How you feeling up there? Ateez present. Gone in the mud, gone in the mud. Gone in the mud, gone in the mud. Gone in the mud, gone in the mud. 이기와는 무슨 일이야? 것만 하나 두는 그런 뭐 알고마다 부실없다 건들건 틀려먹은 그다 아닌 미술에를 굴리려는 나다 고사는 지쳐 더 비싼 부실도 Yes sir, yes sir to 18. 둘, 셋! 에피소드! 감사합니다! Love you so much! G7x
Good morning.
We're about to leave the apartment and go to the train station. This is my outfit. Yuno is here. And the jacket, like this zip up from last year. And my new beanie! We're in the train now. I hope you liked all my vlogs that I did. It was the first time I went to several concerts of one tour. I was extremely sad yesterday. I cried a bit at the concert because it was so intense now, this time with Ateez, and also like we even spoke to them 2 weeks ago. I also met a lot of nice people in this tour. All of these tour stops I went to with the same friend, and sometimes also with other friends. It was great. I also gave out a lot of freebies in this tour, but I still have some left. Francie and I got very emotional yesterday because we had this whole tour experience together. So we decided to gift each other something, and we decided on the Ateez pillows, and we gifted each other the member who wrecked us the most, who bias wrecked us the most in this tour. So I gave her I gave her Sun. She already put a pillow in the pillowcase. It's hard to show. because San bias wrecked her the most in this tour, so I gave her San. And she gave me Yeosang, which is hard to show again. And I also don't have a pillow yet. Oh no. Because Yeosang really bias wrecked me the most in this tour. Actually, Hongjung is my bias wrecker, my main bias wrecker. All of them are my bias wreckers, but Hongjung is usually my main bias wrecker. But in this tour, Yeosang bias wrecked me the most. So she got me Yeosang, and it fits because of Busan. But yeah, so cute.